Faith in Families is a community charity right here in South Wales. So through our Cwtchmawr multi-bank, we are able to give out for free brand new essential items to families, play groups, parent and toddler groups, after school clubs, training courses, a safe place where people can come, be seen, be heard, be valued and cared for.
So a multi-bank is a bank of banks. Our products here include new and unused items. We work with businesses to enable to get products into the building so we can support at pace through the community, working with groups such as housing teams, community centres and schools as well. We have 15 volunteers on a weekly basis, all donating their time to us to ensure that we can get those products out to our families as quickly as possible.
It makes me feel really good because I like to give back. The community love it. The kids love everything that they're able to do because of the Faith in Families.
In 2026, you would never believe that there is such a need for these services in our communities. It is really sobering to actually think that in Wales, right now, there are children and families that need us more than ever. And the very fact that we are there supporting them and we're up for this nomination is incredible. It tells them that we care and that people care and Welsh Government cares.